Okay, to be fair, we are all learning. Every day we learn new things. The sound that I have been saying is a locust. Although there are a couple locusts now that you can hear chirping. Is a cicada. Yes, a cicada. That is a cicada husk, right? That's what they like dig out of the ground. Like, and then they like pop out of their little shells and metamorphosize. Okay, let's go on a hunt and see, because holy, that's nature right there. Okay, here we go. Here's the cicada hunt. That's what they look like when they're freshly out of their nicely little husky self, I guess, right? I mean, I'm learning. Okay, and then we'll wander over here. Oh my gosh, it's just like little husks everywhere. Oh my gosh, it's so creepy. Okay, and then the little holes, because the cicada, I guess, is burrowed in the hole. It comes out, turns into these things, and then metamorphosizes into this little guy right here. Like, I'm just like a ginkgo biloba, baby. Ginkgo. There you go. Cicadas, not locusts. That's the information as I know it. Peace.